Welcome back to my channel. Today in this class we are going to study about the flute and mosaic model. This model is proposed by Singer and Nicholson in the year 1972. Now the flute and mosaic model states that the cell membrane is composed by lipids and proteins protein. And this model states that the cell membrane is composed by lipids and proteins. The lipids the cell membrane and cell this is cell. Okay, this is cell and this cell this is cell membrane. The and the cell membrane the cell membrane game chi portion the zoom out be betau dalu kade bithong ane bithong lo ane bithong lo structure the two layer by layer of nani lu gachelong ane ludi gachelong phospholipid bilayer selong ani bithong lo the phospholipids ana ani the phospholipids selong ani ludi phospholipids the bilayer the two the phospholipids the two layer do same anal one layer two layer do ba anal two layer phospholipids the two layer do ani bithong lo the ani single phospholipids the tau dalu ani bithong lo ani be yeah ani the phospholipids me ani lo head ani the tail imbe ani be thonglo structure the phospholipids ki the phospholipid single structure dalu head and tail dulu the ani head diga chime ani the hydrophilic in nature lo andi hydrophilic in nature me andi ani the hydrophobic in nature the hydrophilic lamidi water loving ime water the attract beome ani gidi water the attract beome the ani the tail gidi hydrophobic ime and the water the repel beome water fearing ime badi ani gidi water the repel beome omega water the repel beome ani gidi the ani phospholipids the ani be arrange be the lo cell membrane nalu ani be two layer be ani the chikagi yani the outside yani ani the outside imadi ani chikagi imadi outside out ki ani the inside the cell cytoplasm anal cytoplasm na nagidi ani in ani the out ki ani be arrange be the lo that the detail betani gidendo ani fluid lamidi the fluids lamidi movement imbe free movement imbe badi ani fluids lamidi mosaic lamidi arrangement of protein di kadabidu cell membrane nalu ani be ta mosaic lamidi arrangement of protein di kadabidu lo iceberg zume do lo iceberg di example ani di on the ocean me example nalu di iceberg zume protein di float be di same di nalu ani be the detail na tawsindi anjum thong detail nalu di the ani the cell membrane di ani bithong ani di kaselo phospholipids bilayer two layer do bade phospholipids bilayer koi ta here the hydrophilic tale tail the hydrophobic ta ani here the opposite be face be the opposite be ani out of cell ya do outside dele ani cytoplasm na in the inside the cytoplasm na face be the head si di dele cell gi chikalu ya face be the ani head the hydrophilic di ani na gi tail the hydrophobic ani tail the kongi chigi chil face be the they facing each other ani di hoimo ani integral lam the embedded be the integral ani phospholipids nalu embedded penetrate be the analu embedded in the integral protein or intrinsic protein selong Dani the protein channel ami di protein channel gidi gasibyo allows the sodium ion, potassium ion and water molecules to move freely in the channel nale freely move pe unsi in the then next thing analu thome ani di cholesterol ani cell membrane nalu di cholesterol ta cholesterol gidi function di kasi me analu di cell membrane nalu di cholesterol act as a fluidity buffer that maintain membrane stability yoi ani ki membrane ki stability di ani ki maintain me cholesterol ki yoi mo ta analu तर peripheral protein से peripheral ami perilam the site the site nalu it is bedi demi gi protein is known as peripheral protein telianal the surface nalu it is bedi protein is known as surface protein seno anibi the anidlu carbohydrates anal carbohydrates if the carbohydrates is attached with the surface protein then we call it as glycoprotein glycoprotein and if the carbohydrates is attached with the lipids and phospholipids if the carbohydrates is attached with the lipids then we call it as glycolipid glyco means carbohydrates and in the next class we are going to study about the membrane transport tubga please subscribe to my channel for more videos see you in the next video